everybody. Today we're going to talk about the signature object. Signature object can be useful if you're creating an application which needs some person to sign for something, and you would like to keep that signature digitally in your archives. So we've created a little object for that. It's quite straightforward. So let's go ahead and create a new tab for that. Signature, okay, there it is. I'll add a little form group for that. It's not necessary, but I'll just do that anyway. And I'm going to take the signature object and simply place it here. So as you can see, it's a standard object with the same functionality. So I'm linking that to my form. And I'm going to link that to a field. I have to click on the form and back again to load this. And I have here my signature. So I have a signature field, which is basically coming from my record get and should be also in the record set. I'll save that. Let's have a look quickly on the endpoint, which is the customer record get. The only thing I did was add here a additional field signature, which is a CLOP. That's why I can select that in the designer. So let's take a look at the result. Close this one and I'll open up a customer. Because it's a customer detail screen, I have to open it from here. So as you can see here, there's a new tab and I have here my signature object. Now, let's go ahead and do F12 just to have a look how it's going to be stored so that we understand the code which is being sent back through the endpoint. So I'm simply going to hit save, and here the record set actually is going to show me how that was sent back to the backend. So here it is. As you can see, it's going to basically send back a base64 PNG image. So let's just copy that for a second to know the structure, and let's go ahead, go back to our record set, because the record set is actually the one which we need to use as a save. So I'll go to the save procedure, save data, and I'll just go ahead and add here. I'll copy some code from previous demos. This is basically my structure, but it's more or less same as the other ones, so I could more or less copy the stuff. So let's do that. I'll just do extract signature, and if my customer signature field is filled, then I'll copy that to some variable image file content. I'll fetch the base64 information here. I'll decode it to a base64 here, and then I'll upload that to, for example, signature.png. So that should be fine. Save. So let's go back to our application. I'll close that and I'll try to do that again, and I'll save that. It has been successfully saved. It's going to reinitialize that because, you know, the record get is going to refresh this form, and we haven't saved that into a database, or we haven't populate that from any file. So let's first have a look where it's stored. So it was in my ctemp, and then what was that again? Uploaded. So there you have it, ctemp uploaded, and here's my PNG file. So now we have the file. Let's just do also the record get part. So I have here in the record get also my signature. I have here again a previous example of how to upload or upload basically files. So I'll just copy that. I'll just put that here. Copy image into memory pointer. Okay, that's for let's say this is the load signature image. Of course, you can load that from a database, but our example is going to a file. Okay, so I'll fetch the uploaded backslash. So I'm fetching it from uploaded. I'm putting it in a mem pointer. I'm base64 encoding that, and then I'm going to save that to signature. Okay. The extension, of course, is, let's say, PNG. I can, of course, do a straightforward PNG like that. And then the file content. Okay. File info memory pointer.